Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. Fourth standard students. Yesterday, some of the problems remain. Remaining problems are there. So, everybody open page number 18 from your activity book. From your activity book, everybody open page number 18, beta. Activity book. Page number 18. See here. Third row, first one. See here, you can write places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here, listen carefully. 3 in 10,000's place, 1 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, 0 in ones place. The given number is 31,520. Now next, third row, second one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See, listen carefully. Here, 5 in 10,000's place. You can write 5 in 10,000's place, 3 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and 4 in ones place. The given number is 53,104. Now next, last one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 8 in 10,000's place. Right? You can write in 10,000's place, 2 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, 7 in ones place. So the given number is 82,067. 82,067. Next, you can write, name the following numbers. Listen carefully. Name the following numbers. So given number in figures, then you can write in words. Okay. Name the following numbers. See here, what is this? What is this? It is read as 10,000. See here. $10,000. Next, see here. It has 2 periods from right to left side. First 3 places is goes to ones period. Next, fourth and fifth are the 2 places goes to thousands period. Then 11,000. 11,100. Next, see, listen carefully. What is this? 30,500. 30,500. Next, 40,709. See, listen carefully. See, this is ones period, this is thousands period. 40,709. Write down everybody. 40,000 709. Next 26,840. Next 69,578. $69,578. Next 98,993. $98,900. Now next page number 19. The amount collected by 5 groceries in a week as shown below. Answer the following questions based on the given data. So I can write just amounts of shop numbers. Okay. Shop 1 amount in rupees 98,565. Shop 2 amount 97,566. Shop 3 rupees 98,655. See here. Next shop 4 96,585. Shop 5 here 97,656. See here, shop 1 98,565 rupees. Shop 2 97,566 rupees. Shop 3 98,655. Shop 4 96,585. Shop 5 97,656 rupees. So in a week, they are collected in a week. See here, asking one question. Which shop collected the highest amount? Which shop beta? See here, shop 3. So you can write here shop 3. Now next, which shops amount collection in the lowest? తక్కువ కలెక్షన్ చేసినటువంటి షాప్ ఏది? See here, 96,585. Okay, shop 4. Shop 4. Write down everybody. Now next, write the amounts collected by groceries in descending order. See here, first one, ascending order. Ascending order means which is the smallest number? See here, 98 lakh, 97 lakh, 98 lakh, 96 lakh, 97 lakh. So you can write here, okay, 96,585. See here, 98,565, 97,566, 98,655, 96,585, 97,656. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. 96,585 is the smallest number than the other numbers. Next, 97,656 is there. Next, 97,566 also given. So in it, 97,566 is smaller than 97,656. Then you can write here 97,566. This is also completed. Now next, 97,656. 97,656. Now next, remaining how many are there? 98,565, 98,655. Okay, in it, this is the smallest number than 98,655. Then you can write here 98,565. So now next, remaining one shop 3 amounts, you can write here 98,655. So now next, this side, descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from largest to smallest. So here is there given, you can write directly. See here, first 98,655. Next, 98,565. Next, 97,656. Next, 97,566. Next, 96,585. Okay, then you can complete page number 19. So now next, help a toy factory to get more information about top 5 selling toys by answering the following questions based on the given data. Same. Factory A, Factory B, Factory C, Factory D and Factory E. See here. See here, Factory A, 82,561 toys made it. Next, B factory, 78,652 toys. C factory 80,289 toys. Next factory D 65,892. Factory E, so 56,105. Okay, see first one, which toy was produced the most? So which toy was produced most in which factory? See here, 82,561, 78,652, 80,289, 65,892, 56,105. So factory A. Answer is factory A. Next, which toy was produced least? See here, 56,105. Factory E. Factory E. Next, put the names of the toys in ascending order based on the given order. This side ascending order and this side descending order. See here, ascending order. Next, descending order. In your activity book only you can write. See here, see, ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. So in the given 5 factories, so produced toys. Okay, then here you can arrange the numbers in ascending order first. So which is the smallest number than the other number? See here, 56,105. Next here 65,078, 80, 82. So now 65,892. Next 2 is completed. Remaining here 82,561, 78,652, 80,289. So given here A, B, C means here the smallest number is 78,652. This is also completed. Remaining 2 numbers 82,000 and 80,000. Now next 80,289. Now this is also completed. Remaining this. So the factory A 82,561. Now next descending order means arranging the numbers from largest to small. Largest number is this is 82,561. Next 80,289. Next 78,652. Next 65,892. Next 56,105. Now next, estimate the following numbers to the nearest 10. This is very important topic. Listen carefully. See here. Listen carefully. Estimate the following numbers to the nearest 10. See here 38. Listen carefully, beta. 38 is lies between 30 and 40. While you are comparing the given number to the nearest tens, then you can look at the digit in ones place. So that is equal to 5, greater than to 5 and less than to 5. So 8 is greater than 5. Then we have to take next tens. Next tens means 38, the rounded of 40. Then you can write here 40. Next 89. 89 lies between 80 and 90. So while you are writing the given number to the nearest, round up to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. So 9. 9 is greater than 5. Then you can take next tens, means 90. 89 is rounded off 90. Next 268. Listen carefully. 268. See here. 268 lies between 200 here same. 68 lies between 60 and 70. See here. 268 lies between 260 and 270. While you are the given number round up to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. So here you can take 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5 means you can write the next tens. Next tens means here 270. So 268 rounded off 270. Now next 5674. Listen carefully. 5674. 5674 lies between 5600 and both are same. 74 lies between 70 and 80 means 5670. Listen carefully. 5680. So 5000 same, 600 same, 74 is lies between 70 and 80. So that is the means 5674 between 5670 and 5680. Then while you are writing the given number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. See here the ones place digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we have to take before tens. Before tens. Before tens means, so this is. Next tens means 80, no? So before tens means 5670. 5670. Now next 4008. See, 4008 lies between 4000 and 4010. 4000 and 4010. So 8 is greater than 5. Then you have to take next tens means 4010. So 4008 is rounded off 4010. Now next. See here 42. 42 lies between 40 and 50. So 2 is less than 5. Now I have to take before tens means 40. So 42 is rounded off 40. Next 76. 76 lies between 70 and 80. We have rounded up the given number to the nearest tens. You can compare the digit in ones place. that is 6. 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5, then we have to take next tens, means 80. 76 is rounded off 80. Now next 354. See here, 354. 354 lies between 350 and 360. So 4 is less than 5. So I have to take before tens, means 450. Now next 2989. 2989. See, 2000. See, Nana. 989. So 2900, same both sides. 2000 here. 2900 same. Here 89 lies between 80 and 90. Here 80, here 90. See. 2989. 2000 same, 900 same. 89 is lies between 80 and 90. 80 and 90. See here, when we round up the number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. So you can compare the digit ones place 9. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5, then you have to take next tens. Next tens means 2990. So 2989 is rounded off 2990. Next 1232. 1232 lies between 1230, 1240. So while you are writing the given number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. So here ones place digit 2. 2 is less than 5. So we have to take before tens, means 1230. So the given number means here 1232 is rounded off 1230. Now next 57. 57 lies between 50 and 60. So rounded number say 7 is greater than 5. So I have to next tens 60. Direct you can write. Next 123. 123 lies between 120 and 130. 3 is less than 5. So I have to take 120. Next 946. Listen carefully. 946 lies between 940 and 950. To have round off a number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in ones place. See here 946 means 946 lies between 940 and 950. 6 is less than 5. So I have to take next tens, means 950. Without doing, you can say directly. That is your intelligence. Okay, see 946 rounded off 950. Now next 3146. 3146 lies between 3140, 3150. So 6 is greater than 5. So the rounded off 3146 is 3150. Did you understand? No. See here. 3146 lies between 3140, 3150. While you are writing the given number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in one space. 6 is greater than 5. Then you can take next tens means 3150. Did you understand? Now next 9985. 9985. See here. 9985. 9985 lies between 9980, 9990. See, while you are writing the given number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit at one's place, that is 5. 5 equals to 5. Then also we have to take next tens. 5 equals to 5 means we have to take next tens. Means 9990. Now next, see here, 21 rounded off 20. Next 105 rounded off 110. 105 lies between 100 and 110 now. Now next 497, listen carefully. See here, 497 lies between 490, next 500. So 7 is greater than 5, I have to take next tens, 5. Now next 9813. So here 9813 lies between 9810, 9820. So 3 is less than 5, I have to take before tens, that is 9810. Next 2228. 2228 lies between 2228 lies between 2220, 2230. So while you write the given number to the nearest tens, you can compare the digit in one's place, that is 8 greater than 5. So 8 is greater than 5 means I have to take next tens, that is 2230. Then next, the cost to build a new stadium is 56,000. $825.